Two Samsung earbuds, similar price, very different feature sets. Let's find out which one actually deserves your money. The audio output of the Buds FE is genuinely above average for its price range. In balanced mode, it does not immediately stand out, but once you open the equalizer inside the Samsung app, the picture changes. The low frequencies become fuller, the mids and highs respond well to the presets, and the overall output competes with options that cost more. The noise cancellation is consistent, does not produce audible hiss, and isolates well enough that in an office, at home, or on public transport, the experience holds up. For a controlled environment, the audio package is solid. The fit also works. It is comfortable for extended sessions, and despite the intra-auricular format, it does not cause fatigue quickly. The case has a clean premium finish, and the build feels intentional. Now the other side of that same package, the Buds FE carries only IP2 water resistance protection. That means it handles water droplets falling vertically, and not much beyond that. Take it to the gym and you are spending your workout watching your own sweat. That level of protection at its current price point is not acceptable when entry-level competitors already come with IP54 as standard. Beyond the protection, the left earbud does not inspire confidence during movement. It did not fall in testing, but the feeling that it might never fully goes away. Add to that a charging time that can reach nearly 2 to 3 hours for a full case charge, no wireless charging despite a design that strongly suggests it, and a multi-point connection that does not behave like true multi-point, and the picture becomes clear. The Buds FE makes a strong first impression and then asks you to work around it. That is every limitation clearly on the table. Now the question is whether the other option actually solves them or just trades one set of problems for another. The Galaxy Buds Core starts with the thing the FE refuses to offer: IP54 protection. Sweat, rain, outdoor training. You do not need to think about it. The fit reinforces that confidence. The small rear stem locks the earbud in place in a way the FE does not, and for movement-heavy use, the difference is real. Battery life without noise cancellation active runs between 8 and 10 hours on the earbuds, with the case adding 30 to 35 hours of additional charge. With noise cancellation on, the earbuds hold 6 to 8 hours, and the case provides around 22 hours of extra charge. A full week of use without reaching for a cable is realistic for most people. Case charging time runs between 1.5 to 2 hours, which is the current industry standard. The microphone inside 4 walls is one of its clearest strengths. Voice comes through clean, clear, and without background interference. For home office, calls, or voice messages, it handles the task well. In noisy outdoor environments, the noise suppression software creates some artificiality on the receiving end, which is a limitation worth knowing going in. The multi-point connection on the Buds Core works, but only between devices connected to the same Samsung account. That means added security, but reduced convenience compared to traditional multi-point. Touch controls cannot be mapped individually per earbud. The app experience shares the same ecosystem dependency as the Buds FE. Older Samsung devices and non-Samsung phones lose access to certain functions. The audio output is well balanced across low, mid, and high frequencies for its price. The equalizer in the app makes a real difference and improves the experience meaningfully. The limit appears at high volume. Above roughly 80 to 85%, the output starts to strain. The highs become sharper, the audio loses some coherence, and the entry-level nature of the hardware becomes audible. Below that threshold, the experience is genuinely good. The noise cancellation handles fans, air conditioning, and moderate indoor noise well. In heavy traffic or loud outdoor spaces, some sound passes through. If you find both at the exact same price and you only use earbuds in controlled environments, the Buds FE delivers a more refined audio experience and stronger noise cancellation. For that specific use case, it earns its place. For everything else, the Buds Core is the more honest product. It is regularly available around $45 to $50, sometimes less with a discount code. At that price, the IP54 protection, the longer battery life, and the secure fit make the slight audio gap at maximum volume a non-issue for most people. You are not buying a product with weak audio. You are buying a product that has a ceiling, and that ceiling is only relevant if you listen at maximum volume. The Buds Core handles real daily use, and the Buds FE handles ideal conditions. If neither of these Samsung earbuds feels like the right match for your routine, don't stop here. I've also reviewed the JBL Wave Buds 2 and the JBL Wave Beam 2. Both offer active noise cancellation, a well-balanced sound signature, and a companion app that works consistently across virtually any Android or iPhone without locking features behind a specific ecosystem. If you'd like to compare all of them before making a decision, you'll find those videos at the end of this one and in the pinned comment. That wraps up this comparison. If it helped you narrow down your choice and you'd like to support the channel, you can use the affiliate links in the description. I've already gathered the best prices I could find, so you can compare them more easily. Using those links doesn't change the price you pay, but it does help fund future reviews and comparisons like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.